Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make your own video private in TikTok PC. So go to your TikTok and go to your profile. Here you can see profile. Then here you can see it's your video. I just uploaded this video and you can't do this thing here. So what you need to do, you need to go TikTok creator center. So this one you can do all the things here. So you can see it's your video and post. So have to click post, and here you can see the option privacy. So it's everyone, it means everyone able to watch your video. If you click here, and you can say only me. Once you click only me, and privacy settings has been updated, so after that no one can able to see your video. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.